Hey, what's up everyone? On today's episode, we're going to be talking about what's the best angle to capture video to use as a training tool and not just to post 5-second highlights on social media. A lot of track day enthusiasts buy action cameras, lap timers, and even data loggers to use while they ride. Unfortunately, that data often goes unused. All that potential is wasted sitting in an SD card or hard drive. I know because I do it myself. That's why I partner with Racers360 to bring industry expert coaching to everyone and to once and for all stop wasting the valuable information we capture with our action cameras. But before you start searching for best camera angles for whatever bike you ride, the angles you find there are probably not going to help you. The reason is that most of these angles are to help make the footage more watchable, and they're meant to be for entertainment and not for coaching. According to Ken Hill in Racers360, the best camera angle for coaching is front and center on the bike. This lets them see exactly where you are on track, offers a wider field of view, and eliminates unnecessary movements, like when you place the camera on your helmet. Sure, there's a place and time for a camera mounted on your swing arm to see your fancy footwork, but let's start with the basics and let Racers360 build a coaching plan tailored to you to continue to make progress. To give you an idea of how it all works, here's Ken Hill breaking down one of my videos.
All right, let's go through this. So right here, you just have to wait. Your radius is so tight, you have to wait. Okay. Our exit reference, where did you exit off of turn 15? You used all the track, you used the end of the curve, and you crushed it off that corner. There's no difference here, right? Here is our exit reference, and you should be accelerating out to that exit reference. You should be, well, the idea is right here is we want to be able to spot, and we want to be able to spot that exit reference and accelerate out to that exit reference right here. So you can accelerate longer. In this right now, you're looking all the way down in turn 2. So you never really get a chance to accelerate down here. So make sure that we have established exit references and accelerate out to those exit references. All right, let's keep going. So because you exited one in the middle of the track, you never really get set up for 2. You finally bring it over, but it's pretty late and you've stopped accelerating really early. Okay, your brake release is here. So in other words, your slowest point of 2 is essentially here. The optimum slowest point of 2 is all the way here and lasts all the way to down here. So we have all of this room in here to continue to accelerate, or we can accelerate longer and decelerate over a longer period of time when you go quicker. So think about where you want to let off the brakes, where you want to let off the brake. In this case, because 2 is a 180, we treat 180s as a double apex. And think about the first apex as an entry corner. So we'll use our brakes to or past the apex. And the second one is an exit. So we want to accelerate past the apex. So that's how we look at that. So it's pretty early brake release in here. And then, yeah, unfortunately, you just have to sit here and wait. You've got nowhere to go. All right, exit. Awesome job on the exit. Awesome. Awesome. You accelerated past the apex. Yes, awesome. Okay. So here's where we're at. What I'd like to do is, for the next time that you ride, let's spend some more time thinking about reference points and thinking about where your exit reference point is. Think about where your turn-in reference point is. And give yourself permission to look at those a little bit longer until you finish that segment. Second thing is, once we get going with the reference points, is working on your braking, because you have no problem accelerating. Zero issue. Awesome. We just have to give you the timing for that. On the brakes, we got to get some training going with the front brake. So I'm really going to recommend listening to a few of my podcasts on that. And I'll send you some YouTube links as well. But to start off with, yeah, great evaluation. Let's continue to work on bike placement on our entries so we can have a better exit. And we're going to start writing down our reference points. And then we'll be later on, as we get into this, we're going to start really working on braking, because again, you have no problem accelerating. That's it. That's no issue. We just got to give you the timing for it.
I know everybody's asking the question, how much does this actually cost? And coaching starts at $99 for one personalized coaching session, or if you really want to get the most out of it, you can sign up for Racers360 Plus. Here, for just $199 a month, you will get a full program to help you improve on and off the track. Racers360 Plus includes monthly coaching sessions, check-in calls with your coach, weekly training programs, chat messaging, and so much more. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can monitor my progress as I complete the Racers360 training program.